we are challenged every day by people that really spread us thin. And I used to get so mad, especially when people will hurt me. What it really kept my vibration safe, because every time you hate or you want a revenge or you're angry, your vibration lowers, was understanding the concept of unity. Understand that everybody was me. And it was hard to accept that somebody, which is me, was mean to me. You see, we all are God and we all are connected, and literally we all are the same things because we all are part of God. When something comes out to you and somebody is not nice to you, is literally a reflection of yourself and not being not nice to yourself. And even Jesus say, love others like you love yourself. I think the guy really mean it. You are the others. When challenge arise, and you want to respond with a vibration that is low, that is not speaking, thinking, and behaving out of love, remember this: the other person is a variation of you. He may be more ignorant, he may be not knowledgeable, but if you wish harm and evil to that, you're doing it to yourself. I know this is a little bit nerdy, but I wanted to share with you because if you're really working on your spiritual journey, you need to have this on point.